Hello, how you doing? I'm doing all right. Um, I've been off of work since Thursday because it was going to take 3 days to do this Sister Lock install, but it only turned out to be 2 days, so it was Friday and Saturday. So um, I go back to work on Tuesday, so I'm just going to enjoy my time, and I have my almost 13-year-old granddaughter with me this weekend, so we're going to spend some time together. So I'm happy about that because I always enjoy spending time with my granddaughter. So tonight I'm just continuing on from yesterday as I was showing you my Sister Lock install for half of my hair. So today, like I said, she finished it. So this is how it looks. So I wanted to come on here and show you. So I like it. Yeah, I like it. I go back in 4 weeks. She's going to be checking for slippage to see if my hair has locked or is trying to lock, and to tighten my roots up. Okay. And so she says because of my texture, she don't think it's going to take long for it to lock. So we're going to see. So I'm excited though. I'm excited about seeing it grow and, get thick, fill in and everything. So I'm happy with it so far. So we'll see what happens. Well, I hope everyone have a good night. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Until next time, all my sassy subbies, bye.